Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akindake and welcome if you are new here. So today I'm going to be taking down my faux locks. I've had them in for a few weeks and I'm ready to get back to my scalp. So I'm going to show you guys how to do so using two simple tools, which are going to be a pair of scissors and a rat tail comb.
First thing I'm going to do is find the line of demarcation between the wrapped synthetic hair and the rest of the lock. So you're able to tell here where it goes back to just being one monotone versus where the wrapped hair, it has a bit of like black hair mixed in. So once I find the base of that synthetic wrapped hair, I'm going to start in with the rat tail comb to separate it from the lock itself. And then I'm going to unravel in the opposite direction that it was initially raveled on. So when you're using synthetic hair, as it oxidizes, especially when it's kinky and curly, it will get tangled a bit. So if you're unraveling and you feel any kind of resistance, you just want to go ahead, take that rat tail comb and just use that to separate the one or two strands that may have gotten tangled in the process and continue to unravel in the same direction that you've been. All right, so boom. Once you get here, now you can see where the synthetic hair is that was wrapped, where your braid is that was crocheted onto, as well as the faux lock itself. So once you get to the very base, you're simply going to pull that piece of synthetic hair out of the base of your hair. So here I'm just showing you now everything's fully ready to be separated. So there you go. Now that's out. Now we're going to take that lock off the braid, get it out of here, and now you're simply going to take either your hands or the base of your rat tail comb and you're going to take your braid out. Now from this angle, at the very base of the braid, you can see that product buildup that's been there, which is pretty common when you have protective styles for an extended period of time. So you don't want to wash your hair straight through. You want to actually go to the base of that and lightly break it down using the rat tail piece of the comb, and then you're going to actually comb it out of your hair. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair and move on to the next lock. So again, finding that line of demarcation. And as you can see here, something else I found helpful was like twisting my hair in the opposite direction. I would definitely suggest this if you're using faux locks that are the exact same color as your hair, because you really want to be sure not to cut your hair, not damage your hair in the process. So twisting it counterclockwise is going to allow you to see where that wrapped hair is and also protect the braid that's underneath. So once I did that, I went ahead and cut it. And then I took that piece, and same as we did before, just unraveling in the opposite direction. I'm not gonna hold y'all. These were 36 inches and they were such a look, but I am so excited to be able to just like feel my hair again. Do y'all ever miss your hair once you put it away for a protective style? It's like when you have it out, you want to put it away in a cute style. And then when you put it away, it's like, dang, I miss my fro. What's happening here? So, same as last time, I can now see the synthetic hair at the base, my braid, and the lock itself. So now that that's out, I'm just going to go ahead and take the braid out itself. Use the metal part of my comb to break down some of that buildup. Comb it out. And then combine those two twists into one larger twist. Now, as we discussed, once you have that line of demarcation and you kind of get a rhythm, you can go ahead and cut those excess pieces of your locks. So you'll see that here in the next clip.
All right, so we're back. It's now been about 4 or 5 hours. I went through each individual box braid in my hair and I combed out the product debris that was at the base of each braid. So now from here, I'm just gonna do my normal wash routine, probably blow it out and let it breathe for a couple of days as I normally like to do between protective styles, really just to minimize the tension that I'm applying to my hair. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.